Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jay Patel and I am a certified physician assistant here at MyFitMed. Here I cover multiple topics to improve your overall health and fitness, and the topics may include hormones, vitamins, weight loss, and overall lifestyle changes. The goal is not to treat you but to educate you to help you get in the best shape of your life. Enjoy the video. Today I am going to discuss about the things you can do to fix Ozempic face. If you have already started seeing changes in your face after taking this medication, semaglutide Ozempic, after having a massive weight loss like loose skin, deflated face, here are the 5 things you can do to improve your skin health and restore the volume in your face. Number 1, fillers. Hyaluronic acid fillers can decrease the appearance of fine line, improve skin hydration, and restore volume in your face. Second is PRP or platelet-rich plasma. When PRP is injected in your face, it helps build natural collagen. Natural collagen build up or fill the hollowness in your face to restore the volume. Third is RF microneedling. So radiofrequency microneedling can help tighten the skin and improves the overall sagginess. Number 4 is fat transfer. Transferring the fat from other body part to the face helps restore the volume in your face. And the 5th is face or neck lift. This is the surgical and most invasive option, but this helps improve the sagginess of your face and also improves your skin tightening. If you are on this Ozempic medication or if you had massive weight loss, these are the things to improve your overall face volume and improve the skin quality. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something about optimizing your overall health. Talk to your medical provider before starting any treatment. Let us know what other topics you want me to cover. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe for more videos.